And welcome back to the channel. On this video I want to talk about stop signs. And here's a stop sign right here. And how many people actually stop? Be it cars, be it bicycles, be it electric bicycles, what have you. So I used to be one of those ones on my e-bike. When I had to, I would stop. When there was a need to stop, when there was cars coming and I could see cars coming, I would stop. Then, because of the laws here in Oregon, I would, on stop signs on lesser traveled roads especially, where I could see that nobody was coming, I would slow down and just go right through the stop sign. Well, the laws here in Oregon do allow that. It's called yield. You treat the stop sign as a yield sign for bicycles, and bicycles do include electric bikes here in Oregon. There's other states too that have the similar law to this, but I had so many people complaining to me that I wasn't stopping, coming to a complete stop at stop signs. So I thought after a while, you know, all right, I'm just going to, it's not a big deal, I'll just stop at the stop signs completely. So now I have a habit of stopping at the stop sign. I'm feeling raindrops, but I have a habit now of completely stopping at the stop sign. And I'm wondering about you out there. I'm probably going to set up a poll question on YouTube to ask you, do you come to a complete stop at every stop sign? Like this. I'm at the stop sign. Let me back up a bit so you can see it. And I'm completely stopped. There's a stop sign and I'm completely stopped. So, but now I don't get any comments like that unless somebody's watching older videos of mine, which people do, right? I have well over 1,300, going toward 1,400 videos on the channel, so lots of videos. So there's many videos where I did not come to a complete stop at stop signs. So, and I know it doesn't matter what other people think, you know, you're you and do you. And of course, I'm not going to go through a stop sign when somebody's coming. Who in their right mind is going to do that and get hit by a car? Obviously, you know, unless you're, for lack of a better word, stupid, you're not going to do that. But I know there's other folks. I watch other YouTube channels and I see other folks slowing down a little bit at stop signs and just going right through. And I imagine they're getting questioned on that all the time, right? Are they in the wrong, or are they perfectly fine going through the stop sign, just slowing down? What are your thoughts on that? What do you think? Do you think you should be coming to a complete stop at every stop sign? Or do you think you can do the rolling stop, making sure nobody obviously is coming the other way? So there's one guy I watch his videos quite a bit, and you're probably familiar with him. Whether you watch his videos or not, I don't know, but his YouTube channel name is Russ is Right, and I've been watching his videos, you know, lots of videos that he's done for quite a while now. Before I got my channel, I was watching him, right? And he's commented occasionally about this because people get on him, you know, same thing. But he still does his thing, right? He slows down. And I understand. He's not, I know exactly what he's talking about. It's a big nuisance to get off your bike, you know. You got the seat up high, or he's got, you know, he's had a knee replacement and all that. But that's one reason why I like my seat to be at the height where I can plant my feet on the ground flat, because I feel like I have more control that way. And if I do have to come to a stop, I can put both feet down and be able to stop and balance myself without a problem. But you know, I don't think it's a big deal. Like, if you slow down, cars do it. You know, I see cars doing it all the time. They don't come to a complete stop. You're supposed to. But obviously you're not going to just blow right through the stop sign. Or if you do, then that's your own fault for doing that if you get hit. But you're not going to, why are you going to risk your life going through a stop sign? But there are times, even if you have this law like we have here in Oregon, and you want to proceed through the stop sign with a rolling stop, that you can't. You have to stop. Like right here. Like there's too much stuff in the way. I can't see both directions far enough that I have to stop to make sure nobody's coming. Got trees on this side, and then we have some bushes and flowers and different things over there. I can't see enough to see if a car is coming. But the one thing about this particular four corners that I'm at right now is a four-way stop. But if everybody decides, well, it's a four-way stop, he's going to stop, so I can go right on through. Well, what if you both are doing the same thing? You know, that causes accident. So you don't want that. But these bikes are bigger and heavier. But then you could say the same for a motorcycle. It's bigger and heavier. Let me know your thoughts on this. Do you think it's a big deal to come to a complete stop? Do you think it matters? As long as you're proceeding safely, you're all right? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm curious. I'm probably going to throw up a poll too and ask you to answer the poll question. We'll see how many results we get and what people think on this situation. I guess I would put three options. One would be a complete stop. Two would be a rolling stop. Or one would be don't care. Either way. Either or. I guess you'd say doesn't matter or don't care. I think we're going to have a kind of a split on this one. I think there's going to be people that absolutely think you should come to a complete stop, even if you're in the middle of nowhere and you know nobody's coming, you don't see anybody, you have a clear view of it. And then you'll have other ones that will be on the side of a rolling stop is plenty good. So let's see what happens with this. I'll throw up a poll question on it. So that's going to do it for this video, with a little bit of rain coming down. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. If you want to comment on this or any other videos that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Once again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, be safe everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.